In today's class, we discuss Chapter 2, Powers or Exponents. First, we discuss what are exponents. If expression is given in the form of 2 raised to the power 7, then 7 is called exponent and 2 is called base. Now, let's come to the topic laws of exponent. First law, a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. In multiplication, if bases are same, power will add. For example, 3 to the power 7 multiplied by 3 to the power 5. Here bases are same, so power will add, which is equals to 3, 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 equals to 12. So 3 to the power 12 is the answer. Second law, e raised to the power m raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power product of m and n. For example, 3 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 4 is equals to 3 product of 2 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 3 to the power 8. The product a and b whole raised to the power m is equals to a to the power m and b to the power m. For example, 3 multiplied by 7 whole to the power 10 is equals to 3 to the power 10 multiplied by 7 to the power 10. Fourth law, the division of a by b whole to the power m is equals to a to the power m divided by b to the power m. For example, 3 upon 5 whole to the power 4 is equals to 3 to the power 4 upon 5 to the power 4. Fifth law, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. In division, if bases are same, power will subtract. For example, 5 to the power 10 divided by 5 to the power 2 is equals to 5 to the power 10 minus 2, which is equals to 5 to the power 8. Sixth law, a to the power 0 is equals to 1. For example, 4 to the power 0 is equals to 1. Any number whose exponent is 0, the solution will be 1. Seventh law, a to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a to the power m. If any base has negative power, then its result in reciprocal but with positive power. For example, 2 to the power minus 2 is equals to 1 upon 2 to the power 2.